Hello everyone, this is Jessica Lee with Screencast-O-Matic assignment number 7. We're going to be going through 5 database websites. We're going to start with the one that our professor told us about in the instructions, and that is Fandango.com. This is where you can buy movie tickets and all stuff along those lines. So this is database as it has different cities and different theaters, different events that you can buy tickets to for movies, and it also has to update what movies are available at each theater at each time and what times those are playing for each theater. So it would be very, very, very difficult to have anything of this magnitude without that software and that data backing it up, because how are you supposed to buy a movie or a ticket for a movie if you don't know where it's going to be at, which movies are out, or what time it is. So along with that same kind of idea, Ticketmaster is another one that goes along with that. This is more for live events like concerts, sports, arts and theater, and like family events. And this also needs to know kind of like what's happening right now, what time, what events, and most importantly, kind of what seats that you have, what seats are available, and what seats have been bought already, not only on this website, but on a whole bunch of other websites all across the internet. Another website that is databased is Amazon, something that I think probably most of us use, and it has to update us on what's in stock, how long it's going to get there, if it's Prime covered, how much it is, and sometimes price fluctuates. And also has to do with reviews and what kind of reviews have came in and stuff along those lines. So Target, kind of the same as Amazon, is also buying things online, but it also needs to know what things are in what stores at different times around you all across the country. So what items can you buy at, say, the Bonnie Lake Target? You need to know what is in stock and if you could buy it there, how long it would take to pick up, and also the same thing with Amazon, if it's in stock and shipping and all that kind of stuff. So another one is Travelocity, and that kind of goes along with all of our other ones as their database, because you need to know flights, times for flights, hotels, activities, cars, cruises, all stuff like that. So you need to know what rooms are booked in a hotel, what seats are taken in an airplane, times and dates available for flying and staying at the hotel. So it is very important for us to have these database websites, because that helps us have current information, and it helps us book things and buy things online, and all over just have kind of more of an online presence. So thank you for watching. Bye.